accidental opioid overdose is happening in communities across America. And so it's possible that you might be out in the community and see someone who is unconscious, who doesn't appear to be breathing. If that's the case, then you can use your Narcan kit to try and save their life. This is a medication that if they are unconscious for some other reason, it won't harm them to give the medicine. But if they are having an opioid overdose, you can save a life. Intranasal naloxone is easy to use, and the new over-the-counter Narcan product has 5 easy steps. Step 1, check. If you suspect an overdose, yell, "Wake up," and gently shake the person. Step 2, give the first dose of Narcan. Hold the nasal spray with your thumb on the bottom of the plunger. Then insert the tip of the spray into the nostril and press the plunger. Step 3, call 911 immediately after giving the first dose. Step 4, watch and give more, giving doses of Narcan every 2 to 3 minutes until the person wakes up. And perhaps most importantly, step 5, stay. We know that the effect of Narcan is only temporary, and that it's possible for a person to have another overdose, even if they don't use more opioids. And so staying with the person until the ambulance arrives gives them the best possible chance of survival.